Let's make an origami Christmas tree. Like this one. What you need is origami paper and the ruler to make the folding line sharp and scissors. If you don't have an origami paper or square paper, you can use A4 paper or any old magazines. Just tear off a page. Make this line straight. And then this corner fold in half. Make a triangle. And fold here. And cut here. Now you have a square, your own origami paper. First of all, make the green side down and make a triangle. This corner goes to this corner. And if you use this ruler like that, the folding line is very sharp. Open it up and do the opposite direction, make a triangle. I use this instead. Open it up and turn it around. And this time make a rectangle. This corner here, this corner here. Open it up. Now opposite direction. So now there are 4 folded lines here, 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 here. And then pinch this ridge, pinch these ridges. So now like a pyramid, another triangle, and then for this flap, the ridge goes to the center line. Do the same to the opposite side. Turn it around. This ridge goes to the center line. And do the same to the opposite side. This is just for the guidelines, so open it up. Right. Then this flap, you put fingers to open it up. Then just like that. So this was the line you just made, guidelines, and this center lines goes to the center. Do the opposite side of the flap. Oops. Open this one up, and this guideline and that guideline holding down, and this pointy bit meets the other side of the pointy bit. Okay, do the rest to the other flaps, the rest of the flaps. Put the finger in, open it up, and fold it down. This is the last flap. Put your fingers, open it up, okay. To make the lines sharp, use a ruler. I use this, but you use ruler. Okay, so now this kind of shape. You have 4 here, 4 here. We cut across here to here, but you don't really see the line here. So just one page, or what you call flap. Open it up, so now you can see the lines here. Cut along these lines. We don't use these ones. Okay, so make sure you have 4 flaps this side, 4 this side. We will have 3 or 4 cut lines. I do 4 this time. Just 5 mm to 1 centimeter. Can you see? Yeah. This one is probably 5 mm. This one is probably 1 centimeter. And do the same to the other side. And this little corner folding down. This little corner fold down, and do the same to the other all 4. Okay, like that. And the next one, we do the same thing to all of them. Done. The other side, just the same direction, so they not that way. Everything one side, looks better when you open this up. Okay, did everything. This, and now you can put the tree up. Finished.